how to fix Windows 10 or 11 activation error. So if you want to fix the activation error in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your setting. After opening your settings, you need to go with Windows Update, which is on the bottom left. And from the update here, you will have activation option. So you just need to simply go with activate. Or if you don't find it right here, then you just need to simply go with the left side, which has that search, and search for activation. Here you will have activation settings. You can go with it, which will be under your system and then activation. And once you're here under your system and activation, you will have an option to troubleshoot. So if you go with change product key, you'll be able to change the product key, right? But under activation in your Windows 10, you will have troubleshoot option. You just need to simply click on troubleshoot. And once you click on troubleshoot, you need to apply the fix. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to go back and then search for CMD and then go with run as administrator. Click on yes. And here you need to enter a command, which is slmgr.vbs space dash rearm, and then hit the enter. After that, it will say you to restart the system to take the effect. So you just need to simply go and restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then go with your browser. And from your browser, you need to go with Microsoft Support and then go with Contact Us, which is right here. And this will take you to the Contact Us section. From here, you need to sign in, and after signing in, you need to go with the product in which you are facing the problem. So go with Windows and then go with Home Support or Business Support. And after that, select a reason and then go with Get Help and follow the process. Go with the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to send a report. And in this way, you'll be able to fix your Windows 10 activation error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.